Guys, it's still rainy. It's raining hard and I'm pretty sweat. Pero vlog, yapon. Vlog. Ah! Baha! Dara. Oh! Uy! Uy! Ay!
Asa ka?
Pag-posisyon eh. Uy! Sige. Ay! Si Mark punta. Lunchtime. Gutom na, I'm starving and I haven't ate my breakfast yet. Hi sa mga friends ni Lance.
Ha?
Hi mo.
Vlogger din
Siya din kay Apple.
last drive kay.
Pero wala pa ang...
Asa lagi? Jan.
Jessa.
Mo ni siya si finally naabot na among ginahulat og pila ka oras na si Junjin.
Raycon.
So yan bata ay.
Ang bungang sa tiyan mo nga si Jesus.
Santa Maria, Ina sa Diyos, tingnan mo kami mga kasasalan. Karunong sa oras sa aming kamatay. Amen.
For ours.
Kuha na yata.
Viva San Jose! Viva San Jose! Viva San Jose! Viva San Jose! Sa pagpagpag sa atong Senior San Jose.
San Jose. Ano mo na? After the procession, we're here at Senior Citizen Park. Senior Citizens Park. Malingkod mi kay... Yeah. Before I will go later, you know kayo mga English, but yeah. Before I will proceed to... Basta yun.
Dito. Mural ba?
Mural din natin.
Sure, oil painting ba? Hala, karoon pa siya kan.
Maraming photo walk here at Magellan's Park and Senior Citizens Park, just adjacent to City Hall. And okay na mo? Finally, we were able to sit down after that freaking long walk. Here at Canton King at Mango, and yay, eating time. One of my most favorite things to do, eat. You know my say English anang kon sa tanang bagtak. My calves are like I like that. Sore. Yeah, or sore. And there's something like throbbing inside my calves, the muscles, and lakaw pa. Ano itong ilakaw, guys? Actually, ang among ilakaw is gikan sa Crown Regency to straight to Mango, then Imus, then Plaza Independencia,
Borrega,
then
Plaza Independencia.
we went to City Hall, and we went to the Family Park. We went to the Senior Citizens Park, and then what's next? Magellan's Park, and walk again to Santo Niño, then straight to Ramos, then left to what's that? You know, and we're here at Canton King, and Kamu guys, pila edad niya? 40, 50, 60? Comment down. Comment down.
Hello.
I'm actually here at Movan's Butcher and Seafood, and I'm currently waiting for the members of the Philippine Travel Bloggers, and it's my first time meeting them. It's past 7. It's 7:30 and they're still not here. Luckily, I took my dinner a while ago at Canton King, and I won't starve if I wait until then. But I'll eat again later. Of course. Alright, it's past an hour and ulo po yung mga boat and nahulog na akong sunmig light, and maybe it's time to go home. Doon na lang go. And I'm recording this video as a signage that I've been here in Nubes, and see you soon na lang. Thank you. Instant outfit change, and I'm all orange. Di tantong klaro, orange ako ang favorite color, no? Kay my payong is orange, my bag is orange, and my shirt shoes is orange. And let's get the party started!
Did you just cut your shirt right now?
No, do kayo. Yes. Magtrabaho na to. Ano matulog? Minago. Kaya manunod pa ta, guys.
Hindi na kasuglan.
Lagi, nagano ng tao.
So guys, gi-cancel wala kay Gastampi daw. So wala, cancel daw. Yeah. People are going from Quezon City to 63, I don't know. 63 plus? 63 plus, dira sa Ayala likod kay na-cancel man ang Quezon City. Yeah. Mauna ni guys. Party na. Siya gawa maras kilid bitaw. Finally! Party pero namin sa gawas. Actually, see, namin sa likod sa fence pero di ka kita, kayit-ngit kaya. And we'll drink. Party! me, guys. I hope you can see me because I'm so dark and my t-shirt is white.
I'm so dark and my t-shirt is white.
All right. And the party is over. And Wandering Soul Scamper is drunk. Yeah, we're going home. Party's over.
Hi guys, we are the Pak Boys and currently Wandering Soul Scamper is drunk.
Drunk. I'm wasted. Oh my god. Wait, senor. So, we ended up here at IT Park. Because this guy is drunk, so we have to bring him to IT Park. And tomorrow's Sinulog Day. First, and so it's almost, no, it's already 4 a.m. and we're finally going home. Bye guys.